my fabulous soap. I hope you like it. Look at the glitter. Look at the little holy holes. They look like little spirals. How lovely it is. Oh, look at me. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Hit the zoom button. Good job, good job. Look at the little holes.
This is so awesome.
And there's glitter sparklies on there. Looks like fairy dust. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Joe, you sound like...
Are you really going to put that on there? Hello! I've already got it all connected to the network and everything so that you can find stuff.
Am I going to have everything on?
Okay, this is my crazy husband talking about my soap, making fun of me, but this is a new one. I'll cut it up sometime tomorrow and show you what it looks like.
I know I can like have them on my own thing, but then
It's kind of girly, so we'll see how it turns out.